Welcome everyone for tonight's stream, and what a week it was. Today we will start with Ethereum, and this is last week's chart, and let's see what we can find here. It was a spectacular week. A lot of things happened and probably still will happen, so be careful. Due to the FTX collapse, probably more FUD is coming, so be extremely careful. This Ethereum, and what do we see? Let's clean up a bit. Yeah. Okay, what do we see? The scenario is drawn here. Try to hold, yeah, and then it tried to hold, but it didn't make it. And now we came in this area around 2000, around 1050, yeah. Yeah. And it bounced back. So what I'm gonna do, I will start with a clean chart. What is important for now? Yeah, I will change to another chart because I need more information. Yeah. I hope you guys had a wonderful week. Hopefully better than mine, because I was a little ill, a little much, and I'm still not feeling well. I hope you guys are all doing much better. Yeah. Okay, in the weekly. Yeah. Today's closure is very important. And let's see if we can close above 1276. If so, then the previous low, because before we make a weekly low and high and higher low, if we can close above the 1276, that will be a good sign. If not, then we lost our low. Yeah, because here this is also a lower high. Yeah. Let me remove the brushes. For now we have a rejection. Yeah. Of our previous range low, 1276. We already tried to bounce back from 1074. Not looking good. On the 4-hour chart also a rejection of our last drop-off point. Yeah. Okay. Let's see if we can close this week above 1276 and then try to push. If not, then we will probably see levels of 800. And try to come back in the old range of 1074. Or a small bounce from the start of the impulse here, and that is from 1074, and try to push upwards again. So for now, for coming week, these are the 3 scenarios. Yeah. Be very careful. Trade with a tight stop loss. And buy spot. Buy some spot. I bought some spot. I bought some around 1100. I will buy more around 800. The lower we go, the more I buy. Yeah, the spot orders are there. So around 800 I buy more, around 628 I will buy more, around 405 I will buy more. That's just for the spot orders, and the trading scenarios are here. Okay, let's switch to Bitcoin. Let's see. Let's go to last week's chart. Okay. No, we didn't hold high as we hoped due to the collapse of FTX. So I will remove the scenario. And we did test lower levels as mentioned in the title of last week. I will start with a clean chart. So we are now below the top of 2017-18. Okay. And we have on the weekly chart the momentum is downwards. Let's go back to the daily. Here also. Okay, for now Ethereum is looking stronger than Bitcoin because here if you can see the difference, Bitcoin already lost the previous range. I will switch to Ethereum to show you the difference. Here you can see we are still above the last low and try to maintain the previous range, but Bitcoin is not. On the 4-hour chart also we try to bounce, but also rejection from the last drop off point. Not looking strong. Okay. The most optimistic scenario is this. Try to gain the last drop-off point and have a higher high and another higher low. We can also have a rejection and try to test lower. Okay. Or we try to test lower now, try to bounce and go for another lower test around 13,474. For years the same as Ethereum, the same strategy. I buy more. The lower we go, the more I buy spot. The trades, we try to manage them safely with a tight stop loss. For now, it's safer to wait a few days until the market is a little settled and not so high volatile as it is now. Especially with altcoins. Yeah, altcoins are all almost all red. Yeah, with altcoins you should be very careful now. Also, I recommend to just wait a few days until the market is a little settled. So let's try to chart some stocks. Yeah, this one is good. I posted this one earlier on Twitter. Probably, when was it? Beginning of November. So it is now 13, that's about 10 days ago. And as you can see, we bounce here. Yeah. We bounce from the $72. Let me remove other scenarios. Yeah. Let's see if we can, this is Zoom. Zoom has a nice upwards momentum for now. Let's see if we can make a daily gain. We will find it out by tomorrow, after the market close tomorrow. If we manage to gain above the 85.5, then we will have a buying opportunity at 85.13, and that is around here. After the gain, buy it at the at the pullback and see if we can go higher, and that will be around 20%. That's a nice trade. Okay, what do we have more? Disney. No, it's too high. Not so much of an RR. Same with Louis Vuitton. PayPal. This might be interesting. Let me see. Okay, from the weekly to the daily, let's see what we have. We found our low here around 70. We have a high around the 100 area and a higher low. Will we find a higher high? It's kind of the same as with Zoom. If we manage to gain And if we manage to gain around the 94 area here, then we can enter on the pullback around 94.63 for the push till 121. If it is a failure, so a rejection, then we can try to hold around 78, 79 and try to give it another push. Let's see. Also around 19-20%. And the breakout is even more, that is 28, almost 28%. Yeah, that's very nice. So that was it for this week. I want to thank you guys for watching this week's video. Don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. And also don't forget to add me on Twitter to follow daily content. I want to thank you guys. Have a nice evening. Cheers. Bye bye.